At a recent tech event, SenseTime unveiled the Sense Nova 5.0, marking a significant leap forward in AI technology. This latest iteration represents their most advanced model yet, surpassing the capabilities of the GPT-4 in almost every measurable aspect. The launch event showcased a plethora of new AI features designed to operate seamlessly across a wide spectrum of platforms, from expansive cloud systems to personal devices. This unveiling sets a new pinnacle in the realm of AI, establishing a heightened standard for innovation and performance. With training on an extensive dataset exceeding 10 terabytes, inclusive of substantial synthetic data, this model has been primed for unparalleled performance. Notably, its ability to handle a 200K context window during inference signifies a substantial enhancement, greatly amplifying its proficiency across diverse domains. From processing complex knowledge to executing mathematical operations, engaging in logical reasoning, and even assisting in coding tasks, the Sense Nova 5 stands as a testament to the rapid evolution of AI technology. Its proficiency extends beyond conventional language tasks to encompass creative writing, deep conceptual understanding, and even intricate endeavors like visual comprehension. A standout feature of the Sense Nova 5 lies in its cutting-edge multimodal capabilities, setting new benchmarks in AI performance. Demonstrating exceptional prowess, it has achieved top rankings in authoritative multimodality benchmarks such as MBench, and excels in other domains like Math Vista AI, 2D understanding, and chart-based question answering. From enabling high-resolution image parsing to extracting complex cross-document knowledge and facilitating interactive text-to-image generation, the Sense Nova 5 stands at the forefront of AI innovation. The utility of the Sense Nova 5 extends across diverse verticals, encompassing crucial sectors such as education, finance, healthcare, and government services. In finance, particularly in data analysis, the Sense Nova 5.0 has showcased heightened quantitative reasoning and coding capabilities, presenting itself as a valuable asset for companies seeking to harness AI for intricate decision-making processes. The Sense Nova Edge-side large language model boasts remarkable processing speeds, facilitating up to 18.3 words on mid-range devices and an impressive 78.3 words on high-end devices. Moreover, the Edge-side LDM AI technology exhibits the ability to generate high-quality images exceeding 12 million pixels. This multifaceted offering not only enhances computational efficiency but also empowers users with unprecedented flexibility and precision in image manipulation tasks. During SenseTime's Tech Day, the capabilities of this AI model were prominently showcased, spanning from AI-driven gaming to intricate calorie calculations utilizing image data. Esteemed entities such as Kingsoft Office, Haiying Securities, and Xiaomi lauded the event, underscoring their reliance on SenseTime's AI to drive innovation and efficiency within their operations. The unveiled features and applications not only attest to the model's efficacy but also hint at its potential to establish new industry standards. What's particularly riveting about the Sense Nova 5.0 is its comparison against OpenAI's GPT-4. Reports indicate that the Sense Nova 5.0 outshines GPT-4 across nearly all benchmarks, highlighting its superior training regimen and architectural choices. SenseTime's triumph not only showcases its technical expertise but also underscores the growing dominance of Chinese AI globally. The Sense Nova 5.0 excels in intricate tasks like text-to-image generation and video creation from textual descriptions, making it highly versatile. Its introduction addresses the corporate sector's need for cost-effective AI solutions, while collaborations with industry leaders like Huawei and Tencent drive continuous improvement. SenseTime aims to apply its AI in transportation and office software, signaling potential shifts in business and governance practices. So, this is Simplify AI. And I hope you like this video, and if you want more video on latest advancement on AI around the globe, you can subscribe our channel for future updates.